In a fast urbanizing world, cities and metropolitan regions face challenges of sustainability and quality of life. In the Master Metropolitan Analysis Design and Engineering, in short, MADE, students learn to create innovative solutions for these complex challenges. MADE is a unique joint degree program offered by the TU Delft and Wageningen University and Research, and is located at the AMS Institute in Amsterdam. The heart of the program are the flows in the metropolitan city, such as mobility, water, energy, food and waste. MADE integrates the physical, social and digital environments to approach them integratively. Because of the close collaborations with various stakeholders in the private and public sector, and the city of Amsterdam itself, all the projects operate in the living laboratory of Amsterdam. MADE provides innovative education and delivers excellent interdisciplinary engineers. The courses demand an entrepreneurial attitude, and students learn how to act in an environment influenced by a broad range of human actors. Students of different academic backgrounds work together on creative, technological solutions by making use of new technologies and big data at the metropolitan scale. During this 2-year master, they develop as critical thinkers and learn to push boundaries in practice and science.